When investing in real estate or buying properties, there are some things you should avoid. One thing you should avoid when buying real estate is property that the taxes are not up to date. The reason for this is if the taxes are not paid, the government can take away the property. The last thing you want is to invest some time and money and end up not being able to buy, or even worse, lose a property. It is recommended that you get the information about the taxes before you buy a property. Another thing you should avoid when buying real estate is properties that have overdue bills like water and sewage. The reason for this is if the water and sewage are not paid, the government can take away the property. If you do buy property that the bills or the taxes need to be paid, it is important that you do have the money to pay them off. One last thing you should avoid when buying real estate is properties that are overpriced. If a property is overpriced and the housing market goes down, if you do sell the property, you can end up losing money. It is recommended that you buy property at or below market value. If you do buy property at or below market value, you will make more money if you decide to sell. Buying real estate can be very profitable if done right. If you use the information you read here, you will know what things you should look out for. A good website where you can see more information on topics like this is https://googleapaches.com/investing.html, which is highly recommended. You can also add this article to your website or blog at https://googleapaches.com/avoid.html. Thank you and enjoy.